Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Cheshire Cat hack on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to start with this fur hat in this color. It's 83A7F in the rainbow glitter toggle, like material I guess. For the position, X at 0.77. Y at 0, Z 0.57, and rotate the X to 0.6, Y at 0, and Z at 0 as well, and scale it up to 0.70. Then we are going to grab the mask, and we're going to use this stripe pattern here. And for this one, you'll need to adjust the X at 0.98. Come on, almost there. Y 0.43. And Z 0.18. Rotate the X to 0.39. Y 0.56. Z 0.28. And you're going to scale it to 0.40. And that is for the teeth. Get this like brown hat. And you're going to color it CF9 DA8. And for this one, you're going to position the X at 0.93. The Y at 0.25. The Z at 0.44, and rotate the X to 0, the Y at 0.48, and the Z to 0.29, and you're going to scale it to 0.57. Okay, we're gonna do some adjustments at the end. Don't worry. Get the cat ears, and you're going to color them this color CF7798. I'm just going to say that because we use this in a lot of the colors. I'm just going to color kind of the bows too. For this one, position it at X.99. And then Y at 0.34. Z 0.27, rotate the Z to 0.32, and scale it to 0.42. Alright, then we're going to get these earmuffs, and we're going to use the plaid yellow pattern, this one. And then for this one, position the X at 0.96. And then the Y at 0.45, the Z 0.04, rotate the X to 0.99, the Y at 0.37, Z 0.15, and we're going to scale it all the way to 0.01. Like so. And then we're going to grab the mask, the eye mask, in that same color. And then on this one, we're going to, let me just color both. Position the X at 1, the Y at 0.45, the Z at 0.21, and rotation X at 0.43, and Y at 0.70, and Z at 0.23, and we're going to scale it to 0.59, like so. Then we're going to get the whiskers and the nose, color the first one black, and the second one, let me pull up my notes, 9D, whoops, 9DLA92. Enter. Okay, it's pretty much the same color. Like, what am I on about? For this one, we're going to toggle the X at 0.92, Y at 0.44, Z 0.25, rotate the Z to 0.28, and scale it to A1. Then we are going to need the like fur hat. I don't know what it's called. And we're going to color it this color again. For this one, we're going to position the X at 1, the Y at 0.37, the Z at 0.28, rotation, the Y at 0.65, Z 0.29, and we're going to scale it down to 0.34, like so. And then lastly, we are going to get the tail. Where is it? Oh, here. And we're going to color it this color, AD3A7F, that's the same color that we used in the beginning. And the rainbow glitter as well. I'm gonna make some adjustments on this, the like mask. I think I did something wrong here. And also like on the nose, I'm going to just color it the same as the kitty's tail. So for the mask, where is it? Let me see if I messed up anything. No, okay. Let me just adjust it real quick. Like that. And then for the eyes, I think I'm gonna color it maybe like yellow in neon. Or maybe use this one instead. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just use that one instead of that plaid one. And I think we're good to go. And that is how you can create a Cheshire Cat on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!